Isidore Koschitzky knew how important it is to have a solid roof over your head. In 1939, he was fortunate enough to escape the invasion of Poland together with his wife and 2 sons, leaving behind everything they owned, including a successful roofing business. His entrepreneurial spirit never left him, and in 1951 he established IKO Asphalt Roofing Products in Canada. Over 70 years and 4 generations of owned and operated leadership later, the values that Isidore built the business with have stood the test of time. Today, IKO has over 35 manufacturing plants across the globe. With a legacy of craftsmanship, we know performance. And that's why contractors and their customers trust IKO to deliver beautiful, high-performing roofing systems that can withstand the most rigorous conditions and continue protecting families for generations to come. Prioritizing absolute care like a family member would, IKO begins by choosing the finest raw materials and maintaining quality by sourcing them from our vertically integrated plants. The brightest minds come together in our research and quality assurance lab to verify that every step of manufacturing upholds our level of safety and security. The IKO difference lies in our products, our people, and in our heritage. IKO, proven performance.